Hello learners, this is your KP sir Krishna Prakash. How are you all? कैसे बच्चे लोग? Just 30 days left for your GATE and ESE preparation. So अभी हम क्या सोच रहे 30 days में क्या करेगा, कौन सा टॉपिक रिवाइज करना चाहिए, कौन सा टॉपिक को बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस था, कौन सा टॉपिक में ध्यान देना पड़ेगा, 30 डेज में क्या क्या चीज पढ़ना चाहता है, इनका बारे में बात करने के लिए हम अभी इधर है. सो 30 डेज 30 टॉपिक्स दैट लीड टू सक्सेस इन योर गेट एंड ईएससी जर्नी. हम इनका बारे में, वो चीज का बारे में हम आज बात करेगा. सो आई हैव लॉट ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस इन टीचिंग गेट एंड ईएससी. And I taught different subjects in Unacademy platform with that expertise and with the help of my fellow friend Rajendra Prasad sir, RP sir, who taught on Unacademy platform. We both made 30 topics framed to focus on 30 days for your GATE journey. So actually lot of syllabus is there in GATE now. A huge vast syllabus is there in GATE. So from that, by doing research in GATE previous year questions, we framed out, we picked the most repeated 30 topics. At this limited span of time in the last stage of preparation, where you need to give more focus and more number of questions from which topics you have to prepare. Regarding that, by putting our total experience, by seeing previous year questions, by analyzing the pattern of IITs, how they are focusing, and by considering the weightage point of view, total we selected the best 30 topics to focus at this point of time from core engineering subjects, not included maths and apti, because maths and apti you need to spend every day 2 hours, 1 hour math and 1 hour apti. Pakka this 30 days, 30 hours you need to spend for math, 30 hours you need to spend for aptitude. Then coming to our core engineering. So we are moving on to environmental engineering. You know the weightage of the subject around 10 to 12 marks in GATE. So the topics you need to focus: quality of water and BOD. So when you observe the latest trends or pattern, 2 सेट्स में, 1 सेट में क्वालिटी ऑफ वाटर से एक क्वेश्चन आएगा और दूसरा सेट में बीओडी से एक क्वेश्चन आएगा. सो यू मे बी मॉर्निंग सेशन और यू मे बी इन आफ्टरनून सेशन, सो दैट क्वालिटी ऑफ वाटर एंड बीओडी बोथ से ध्यान देना पड़ेगा. एंड क्वालिटी ऑफ वाटर इज वेरी वास्ट. So from quality of water, what you need to focus? Most repeated, widely given hardness, alkalinity, pH, and IS 10500 quality standards. If possible, solids. इतना सारा क्वालिटी ऑफ वाटर में सिर्फ केमिकल क्वालिटी एनालिसिस से हार्डनेस, अल्कलिनिटी, पीएच एंड सॉलिड्स, IS 10500 स्टैंडर्ड्स, MPN. आई हैव गिवन यू अगेन इंपॉर्टेंट के अंदर इंपॉर्टेंट. द सेशन इज अबाउट इंपॉर्टेंट. अगेन आई एम गिविंग इनसाइड दैट आल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू फोकस. सो क्वालिटी ऑफ वाटर में बहुत ज्यादा सिलेबस था. वी स्टडीड अराउंड 12 hours or 14 hours in full length plus course about quality of water. So in that you focus on this hardness, you know, carbonate hardness, non-carbonate hardness determination, total hardness determination, total alkalinity determination, pH numericals, and IS 10500 acceptable limit in absence of alternate source, then solids determination and MPN test. After that, BOD you need to know how to get 5-day BOD, how to get ultimate BOD, how to get remaining BOD, how to get BOD consumed, And also they will give BOD at some temperature change and time change. Temperature change करेगा, time change करेगा, different times and different temperatures. इनका बारे में भी क्वेश्चंस आएगा आपको, बहुत ज़्यादा ध्यान पड़ेगा. And you see, if you observe the previous year papers, the entire civil engineering syllabus में, if you go through check previous papers, highest number of questions are there from BOD. So focus more on BOD. Then sedimentation. Sedimentation में particle size diameter, determination of diameter of smallest particle which is getting settled, overall sedimentation efficiency determination, then settling velocity determination. Based on settling velocity, overflow rate, horizontal velocity, sedimentation tank length determination, width determination, that is important in sedimentation topic. So then coming to air pollution. Air pollution theory, very important theory. We are expecting one MSQ from air pollution. Theory में examples भी आएगा. Primary pollutant, secondary pollutants examples आएगा. Then plume rise studies. Plume rise studies are there na. So about that plume rise studies, lofting, fumigating. So such kind of plume rise studies and everything. And dt by dz, lapse rate numerical questions. dt by dz numerical question. Unit conversions. Air pollution per ppm से microgram per meter cube. ppb से microgram per meter cube. Pollutant concentration. Air pollutant control devices, treatment units. Control devices, treatment units, इनका बारे में भी ध्यान देना पड़ेगा. Like gravity settling chamber, electrostatic precipitator, fabric filter. इनके लिए डिजाइन के लिए, efficiency determination के लिए, डिजाइन के लिए, number of fabric filters, number of chambers के लिए ध्यान देना पड़ेगा air pollution में. And very important, nowadays compulsory one question is giving as per latest pattern, solid waste management. So solid waste management में बहुत ज़्यादा था. You know aerobic and anaerobic decomposition. Chemical methods are there, na? Chemical equation will come. We have the formula, ABCD formula, and also design of landfill, area and volume determination of landfill, and also carbon and nitrogen ratio related question. Then density of solid waste estimation, volume of solid waste estimation. These are the topics to be focused. And along with this, if you want to spend, I forgot to type, very important, activated sludge process, ASP. Waste water से एक क्वेश्चन पक्का आएगा, that is mostly from ASP, activated sludge process में. Food to microorganism ratio, mean cell residence time, theta C, or else mass of solids wasted per day. So total around 6-7 formulas are there. From that total 6-7 formulas, one question from activated sludge process. So this is the scenario what we have to study from environmental. Then coming up with geotechnical engineering. So in geotechnical engineering, you can focus on consolidation. Consolidation, so many formula are there. Settlement determination, ultimate settlement, single drainage, double drainage, settlement delta H calculation, CC determination, TV determination, MV determination. All this you need to study under consolidation topic. It is very, very important for you. So we can write a CC, MV, AV, next delta H consolidation determination. All these are very important for you, and their interrelation, because we have given an interrelation time of consolidation T directly proportional to settlement and then proportional to so many factors. That factors interrelationship consolidation may very important. Then bearing capacity, loads calculation, safe load bearing capacity, ultimate load bearing capacity, QU, QNU, QS, इनका बारे में bearing capacity. Then shear strength, you know shear strength में हमको क्या आ रहा है, Morse circle. Morse circle से phi or alpha f determination, sigma 1 or sigma 1 prime, sigma 1 or sigma 1 prime, triaxial test से, triaxial test, then sigma d deviator stress determination, Cu undrained cohesion, Qu unconfined compressive strength. All these will come under shear strength. All these need to be focused. So index properties. So index properties में आपको classification भी आएगा, IS classification भी आएगा आपको, soil classification, A-line index, IP index relationship में clay क्या है, sand क्या है, silt क्या है, differentiate करेगा, particle size से sand differentiate करेगा, particle size analysis, then IP line index, A line index, and also you include here relationships. We have given formulas, some list, Sehwag formula, SR into E is equal to WC into G, relationships. Gamma D is equal to gamma by 1 plus WC. Gamma D is equal to G into gamma W by 1 plus E. That formulas, individual relationships which gives you properties like void ratio, you can get specific gravity, you can get water content, you can get gamma D, gamma sat, gamma bulk. That relationships aayega, index properties and relationships. And finally pile foundation. Just I told you again, this is a precise list within this short time what you need to focus. So इनका बारे में ध्यान देना पड़ेगा. Then next important, transportation engineering, around 9 to 11 marks weightage for you. So much syllabus is there in transportation. So by discussing with RP sir, Rajendra Prasad sir, we both framed so very few topics related to it. Traffic signals and flow models. Traffic engineering 2 marks pakka. From that 2 marks, mostly it is given from either from signals or from flow models. SSD, next transportation में highway में SSD, stopping sight distance, horizontal alignment. Nowadays they are focusing more from horizontal alignment. Stopping sight distance or horizontal alignment इनमें पक्का 1. So traffic engineering 2 marks, highway engineering 2 marks, and then pavement design. Pavement design, that also will play compulsory 1 question you can get from pavement design, where you can focus on joints of rigid pavement. Focus here, joints of rigid pavement. Rigid pavement. That is very important in pavement design. If you want to go for a mixed design, Marshall mixed design phenomena, you can get maybe 1 mark questions from Marshall mixed design phenomena. You know, as we studied already, traffic signals and traffic flow models. Then runway length correction. This is related to airport. Airport engineering, runway length correction, you can go for it. So I told you again and again, I am saying just a precise content we are giving you, very important, very important topics. So we can't include everything. Compulsory 2 marks either from signals or flow model. Another 2 marks SSD horizontal alignment. 2 marks from pavement design. 1 mark or 2 marks expect from runway length correction in airport. Or else if that is not given, they will give super elevation in railway track. So railway engineering में important क्या है? Super elevation in railway track. So this is also important for you. Then hydrology से आ रहा है hydrology. Hydrograph. So before starting hydrograph, first you learn about phi index. It is not included in hydrograph, but I am giving you because you have phi index to be calculated to solve questions of hydrograph. Then Harton's curve. Harton's infiltration index, Harton's infiltration equation, that also to be studied, so that your hydrograph numericals will become very easy. Then you can go for direct runoff hydrograph DRH. Olden days they are giving triangular DRH, trapezoidal DRH, irregular DRH. But nowadays they are giving unit hydrograph questions more. I have given a secret formula, direct single formula में substitute करो, कोई चाहे ये मिलेगा आपको. Peak discharge they will ask, area of catchment they will ask, base period, time base they will ask, but finally by substituting in that one formula, even effective rainfall depth also. Then nowadays they are focusing on S curve, S hydrograph, or else method of superposition and convolution. Method of superposition and convolution. This is from hydrograph. Pakka 2 marks we are expecting from hydrograph, no doubt. As we expected 2 marks from hydrograph, 2 marks from well hydraulics. Well hydraulics, somebody will teach you in geotech, somebody will teach you in environmental, but actually as per GATE syllabus, well hydraulics is under hydrology. So in well hydraulics, what are going to focus more? So you can get a specific yield formula. Specific yield formula say change in groundwater volume calculation, change in groundwater table depth calculation, then Kia, Q is equal to KIA by N also, porosity, Q is equal to KIA sometime KIA by N, then confined and unconfined aquifers, well discharge determination, yield from wells, yield from confined aquifer, unconfined aquifer. The numerical questions pakka. Then other than this, additionally, please study flood frequency analysis. If you want to study one more, flood frequency analysis में थोड़ा ध्यान से focus करो, इनसे हो जाएगा आपको. These are important topics from hydrology. Then coming out to irrigation. इतना ज़्यादा पढ़ना नहीं चाहिए irrigation के लिए. पहले chapter करो, शुरू करो, पूरा हो जाएगा. Only one chapter, first chapter. Chapter 1 में duty delta base period. Delta is equal to 8.64 B by D. ये formula से most of the questions will be solved. Or else they will give field capacity, permanent wilting point, existing moisture content EMC, or optimum moisture content OMC, and then irrigation efficiency. So irrigation efficiency will write a general formula, discharge into time, you know discharge into time volume, area into depth, depth is delta, depth, that is also volume into 100. So mostly by this two formulas, irrigation efficiency, duty delta base period relationship से आपको irrigation में हो जाएगा. But solve all PYQs. If you solve all PYQs of irrigation, mostly some 30 to 40 questions are there. Just total irrigation subject में 30 to 40 questions are there. From that पक्का आपको 2 mark मिलेगा. 2 marks finish. And nowadays, if you want to focus more, nowadays they are asking theory, super passage, aqueduct, those topics में थोड़ा सा theory आ रहा है, थोड़ा सा ध्यान देना पड़ेगा. Coming to surveying, leveling or traversing. One question we are expecting from leveling or traversing. Aerial photogrammetry. If you want to include, you can include linear measurements. Actually, this is basic. Maybe you may get 1 mark question from this linear measurements. But leveling and traversing are pakka we are expecting from surveying. And in GIS, GPS and all the things, no, mostly remote sensing, those questions are not coming. Advanced surveying में aerial photogrammetry में numerical question आएगा. I have included all structural engineering subjects in a single. RCC, SA, steel, all in a single slide I am giving you here. Please understand. 2 marks from indeterminacy, static and kinematic indeterminacy से 2 marks पक्का मिलेगा. Other than this, from essay, structural analysis. So other than this, you can go for design of trusses, slope deflection method. These two. If you are going for other than this, static and kinematic indeterminacy, slope deflection method, influence line diagram, ILD, influence line diagram, ILD, slope deflection method, SDM, slope deflection method, SDM. These are very important. And determination of determinate trusses. Determinate trusses को भी थोड़ा सा ध्यान देना पड़ेगा. But as our target is precise content, first choice, best choice, kinematic and static indeterminacy. After that, still you want to study structural analysis, go for ILD, influence line diagram, then slope deflection method, and after that you can go for determinate trusses. Then coming to RCC, limit state methods, beams, limit state methods, beams, pre-stress. No doubt from the analysis and losses, one question pre-stress से 2 marks पक्का मिल जाएगा आपको RCC में. Then again still you want to study means you can go for shear and bond, focus some more on columns, then plastic analysis. I have not written steel, actually it is included under steel. स्टील में प्लास्टिक एनालिसिस को थोड़ा ध्यान देना पड़ेगा. प्लास्टिक एनालिसिस में शेप फैक्टर, कोलैप्स लोड, शेप फैक्टर, कोलैप्स लोड, इनमें थोड़ा सा ध्यान देना पड़ेगा. स्टिल इफ यू वांट टू स्टडी मोर यू गो फॉर कनेक्शंस. स्टिल यू नीड टू स्टडी मोर यू गो टू कनेक्शंस फ्रॉम स्टील स्ट्रक्चर्स. सो study limited content in this within available 30 days, get more marks. That is only our target. Studying a small and limited content, revising them more and more and more to get good marks. So FM and OCF very, very vast. So I can't say this to study, that to study, but I made the best topics for you. Flow through pipes, always we are getting 2 marks. Mostly we are expecting from Bernoulli equation. In Bernoulli equation, head loss calculations, Hazen-Poiseuille equation. These are very important we are getting from flow through pipes. And also pipes in series, pipes in parallel. Head loss during expansion, head loss during contraction. All these calculations are very important flow through pipe. Nowadays a trending topic is dimensional analysis. Last 4 years without any missing, 1-2 marks question पक्का आ रहा है dimensional analysis से. Then fluid dynamics, then open channel flow. Again open channel flow से just I picked 2 topics, specific energy and hydraulic jump. If you include most economical channel sections and GVF, that also very good. I consider the total all these as one topic because within 3-4 hours it is completed if you study well. So that specific energy, hydraulic jump, most economical channel section, gradually varied flow. So all this I am giving in a single topic. So here single topic means which can you finish revising, solving questions and solving PYQs within 1 day. That is one topic because our target 30 days, 30 topics. Every topic is completed by within 1 day revision, solving PYQs, solving notes questions. If you want, write a test also. Within 1 day that should be completed. Now, very vast subject, you know, strength of material, everyone knows. But everyone knows this also. Compulsory one question from SFD BMD. Shear force diagram and bending moment diagram. Compulsory you get 1-2 marks question followed by principal stresses and strain, deflection of beams. These are the most important 3 topics. So again and again I am repeating, I am limited it because we have only 30 days left. So हर एक दिन एक टॉपिक होना चाहिए 30 days में 30 topics so that we framed the most repeated and expected questions topics. So every day you finish one topic, you are going to get the best marks in your GATE examination. So guys, you are in the final stage of your preparation. Just 30 days left. Don't lose hope. Don't get demotivated. Don't get deviated. अभी से करो. अभी तक क्या हो गया, क्या कर दिया, that is stage 1. दिस इज सेकंड स्टेज, अनदर स्टेज. ये स्टेज में आप कैसा प्रिपेयर किया, कौन सा टॉपिक प्रिपेयर किया, कौन सा सब्जेक्ट रिवाइज किया, हाउ मेनी नंबर ऑफ ऑनलाइन मॉक टेस्ट रिटर्न, हाउ मेनी टाइम्स you have revised. That only matters to decide your rank. You are in the final stage, just one step ahead to your success. Okay guys, and anytime if you want to talk with me, I'm always readily available to students. So if you want to take Unacademy subscription, or if you want to refer your friends, juniors, whoever, so you know our universal core KP Civil. You want to join my Telegram channel KP SAR students. My Telegram name also, individual if you want to message me, my Telegram name also KP Civil. So always stay with me. Anytime in your journey, if you are feeling demotivated, contact me. I will guide you properly. So guys, like, share and subscribe. Let's crack it.